A hotel gate in Israel's Eilat gets hit by a drone. Millions of Israelis, they run for cover as sirens wail across Tel Aviv. And the Houthis, the Yemeni rebels, are taking all the credit. Yes, you heard that right. Yemen's Houthi group has once again escalated its fight with Israel. This time they claim that they fired a long-range hypersonic missile at Tel Aviv and sent about 3 drones towards southern Israel. According to them, the missile hit a military target in Jaffa, while the drones struck Beer Sheva and the port city of Eilat. Now let's pause for a moment. The word hypersonic is big. Hypersonic weapons can travel 5 times the speed of sound. Very hard to track, very hard to stop. If the Houthis really have such technology, that changes the entire game. But Israel's version is very different. Israeli army, the IDF, say that most of these threats were intercepted, and that too mid-air. However, one drone slipped through. It didn't hit a military base, it slammed into the gate of the hotel, causing some damage, but thankfully no casualties. Still, the timing of this particular attack is very important. Imagine the scene: sirens blaring in Tel Aviv, millions rushing into bunkers, businesses shutting down. For ordinary Israelis, this is becoming a routine, but a horrifying one. Now, talking about the Houthis, then they say that it is all about solidarity with Palestinians. Ever since the Gaza war began in October 2023, the Houthis have been launching missiles and drones into Israeli territory. They have targeted Red Sea shipping routes, fired at Israel's southern city, and turned themselves into a kind of second front in this conflict. Their message is very simple: as long as Gaza is under siege, Israel will not be at peace. And here's the bigger picture: Israel is not just fighting Hamas in Gaza, it is also striking Hezbollah in Lebanon, exchanging fire in Syria, and now facing the Houthis in Yemen. This means Israel is surrounded on multiple fronts, be it north, south, east. Now for the Houthis, that's the perfect strategy, isn't it? Keep Israel stretched thin, keep the pressure very much constant. But let's look at the risk here. Every single time the Houthis attack, Israel responds with airstrikes inside Yemen. This turns a local war into a regional one, dragging in more countries. And the US is deeply involved too, because American warships in the Red Sea have been intercepting Houthi missiles just to protect the global shipping. So the question is, are the Houthis bluffing about their hypersonic missile? Or do they actually have advanced weapons that even Israel's Iron Dome cannot stop now? Well, if that's the latter, then this conflict may be entering a far more dangerous stage. For now, Israel resists that it has things under control, but the fact remains this: a rebel group from Yemen, one of the poorest countries in the Arab world, is forcing one of the most powerful militaries in the world to sound sirens and shut down cities. That tells us just how unpredictable this war can be.